Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to a Chromebook. First, make sure your printer is turned on and successfully joined to your home Wi-Fi network. It's crucial that your Chromebook is also connected to this exact same network for seamless communication. Once both devices are ready, navigate to your Chromebook settings. You can easily find this by clicking on the time display located in the bottom right corner of your screen, then selecting the gear icon. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Advanced section. Click on this to expand a list of additional options. Within the Advanced menu, locate the printing category and then click on Printers. Your Chromebook will then begin an automatic scan, searching for any compatible printers that are currently active and connected to your shared Wi-Fi network. This process usually takes just a few moments. Once your Chromebook has finished scanning, you should see your printer listed. If it appears, simply click the Save button positioned right next to its name to add it. If your printer doesn't show up automatically, don't worry. Click the Add Printer button and manually input its IP address or hostname. You might find this information on your printer's display or in its network settings. Then, just follow any simple on-screen instructions to finalize the setup. With your printer now added, it's time to test it out. Open any document, image, or web page you'd like to print. Then, press the Ctrl and P keys simultaneously on your keyboard, or simply select the print option from the Applications menu. In the print dialog box that appears, choose your newly configured printer from the list of available destinations. Click Print, and your document should begin printing within a few seconds, confirming a successful connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.